Thanks for dropping in. Over the last few weeks, I've been printing a lot of these Barrel Coopers puzzle boxes. How many? Quite a few. But I've gotten kind of bored of the same design, you know? So today I'm going to introduce the Barrel Coopers Puzzle Box DK Edition, which of course stands for Delightfully Keen. Nah, it's Mario's ancient rival and my Smash Bros. Main character, Donkey Kong. The solution for the DK Edition is the same as the standard puzzle, but the prize has been switched out to a banana horde. Instead of a cork, we have a Donkey Kong logo that's easily printed in two colors just by pausing the print part of the way and switching to a different filament. A banana is hardly the most difficult thing in the world to model, but in my case it's the first time I try to model an organic shape in a modeling program built more for product design and architecture. And if I do say so myself, the end result came out half decent. This is, however, one of the very few designs that I've shared that does require the printing of some support material. Fortunately, it's very minimal and can be limited to just the bottom of the banana. These are very quick to print, partly because they can be printed with 0% infill, no internal supporting material whatsoever. A nice benefit of this is halfway through the print, you can drop something small inside and create a bit of a rattle. In my case, I put in tiny magnets for obvious reasons. In the bottom container, you can put as few or as many bananas as you want, just as long as you indicate to the person solving the puzzle that the horde has a specific amount, so they know to keep on looking. Eventually, they'll find the rest of the horde. Now, my organic 3D modeling skills are still very minimal, but a nice potential addition to this barrel would be one of many Donkey Kong or Diddy models that are available on Thingiverse. I'm going to link a few of those models down in the description below. To keep things simple, the files for this version will be their own separate project on Thingiverse. As always, it's free to download. Well, I need to get back to printing, so that's it for this week. Until next time, thanks for stopping by.